Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. We will continue with our manga reading and learning German at the same time with J Monogatari. I hope that with this concept you will learn German grammar, patterns, vocabulary and have some fun at the same time, which is not often given in German lessons, so this is a unique way in my opinion. And I hope you agree. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment, a question, a feedback, anything you want in the comments below. I really appreciate the interaction for this small channel, and we will continue and see what happens with J Monogatari and the others. Let's go! So last time the guy confessed his love to Arissa, and he says, Arissa, ich liebe dich, and then, und Arissa, and, let's go to the next and final page. Ich werde dir beweisen, wer wirklich der Stärkste in dieser Stadt ist. This is a nice sentence. We check out the verbs like always. Werde here is for future tense, werde. Without context, as a full verb, it means to become. Yeah, he becomes a lawyer or he became rich or whatever. So werde here is future tense, and then we have beweisen, to prove. And then again, to be, ist der Stärkste, the strongest, stark, the adjective, Stärke, the strength, der Starke, the strong person, and then we have the Superlative, der Stärkste, the strongest. So then we have wirklich. Here it is more of an adverb, and also as an adjective it means truly. In dieser Stadt, in is a preposition, in this city. Die Stadt is female, if you don't know. Die Stadt. So I will prove to you, dir, who is the strongest in this city. Jemandem etwas beweisen makes dir a dative object. Dir. Okay, this is actually it. This is the next book. Let's see what the next book has in line for us. Let's clean the board and check it out. Koji. Ah yeah, I think that's the guy who was released from jail, I guess, from juvie. Okay, now we have like a double page. Let's see what makes sense. Let's go to the right side. He says, du denkst, du bist eine ganz große Nummer, was? Denken, to think. And again, our favorite verb, to be, sein. So what else do we have here? We have nouns. Die Nummer, without context, is a number. Kann ich deine Nummer haben? Can I have your phone number? Yeah, stuff like that. Die Nummer. Then we have here groß, which is an adjective meaning big. And then anything else? Okay, ganz. Ganz without context means a total, 100%, yeah, whole. Altogether, he wants to say, you think you are a totally great number. This sounds stupid in English, yeah. But what he wants to say, oh, you think you're a big shot, yeah, you're a big, an important person, yeah, a big shot. Was? Was is for questions. You think you're a big shot, don't you? Yeah, for the opposite question. And they all look the same. They have the same hairstyle. I really struggle to recognize their faces. But okay, next one. Heute kommst du mir nicht davon. Davon kommen, you can learn it together. Of course, you know kommen, to come. But davon kommen means, in this context, to escape, to slip away. So everything else should be clear. Heute kommst du mir. Mir is Dative. And then we will translate it. Today you will not get away from me. Mir. The subject of the sentence is you. You're not getting away from me. I'm the object in Dative. Today. Heute. Next one. Ich mach dich sowas von fertig. Sowas von. I think we had this before. It's youth language, it's more conversational, it is a little stupid, but let's check out the verbs first. Fertig, machen, machen, to make, to do. Fertig machen without context means to finish something, but it can also mean to finish somebody, right? So you can imagine what he wants to say. I will finish you off that much. Sowas von. In English, you would say you're so done, right? I will finish you so much. Yeah, like capital letter, so. And sowas von is in German the equivalent. You're so dead, so to speak. I'm looking for the eraser. Yeah. Okay, let's go to the next page. Okay, we only have one thing here. He has a chain and he's like attacking him, saying, I can't say it. The first one is a verb to unalive. You, a hole. You can imagine, you can look it up if you want. I don't know the guidelines, so I don't want to risk it. And yeah, you know what it means. Okay, we have the showdown here, it seems. Let's go to the next page. Not much happening, language-wise at least. Er ist ausgewichen. Here we have a nice perfect tense. Ausweichen would be the infinitive. And the perfect tense ist ausgewichen. Ausweichen means to, let's check the right English term, because I don't want to make a mistake. Ausweichen. Ah yeah, to dodge. I knew this one, but yeah, sometimes my brain freezes. So to dodge a bullet, for example, yeah? So he dodged, we would say. Genau, and the next one. Er ist Kojis Kette ausgewichen. Just a long sentence again. Same grammar. Ist ausgewichen. Die Kette, female, is either the chain or also the necklace, yeah? In this case, of course, the chain. We can see it here in the pictures. So he dodged Koji's chain, and then like and and so on. Let's see what's happening. We have the same grammar as before, yeah? Du bist sowas von, and this time it's not I will finish you, so off, so to speak, but it's you are so unalive, yeah? You are so, like a capital letter, sowas von. Yeah, I think you know what it means. Let's go to the next one, final page for today. Schon wieder, again. And the next one, Koji trifft ihn einfach nicht. Treffen, maybe you know it if you studied German before. Without context, it means to meet. Ja, ich treffe meine Freunde, I meet my friends. But in this case, it means to hit the goal. Ja, treffen. So, treffen, to either meet or to hit the goal. And he doesn't, so we have the negation here, nicht. And then we have einfach. Einfach as an adjective means simple or easy. But here we have it differently. It means just. He just cannot hit him. He just cannot hit Koji. And he's like, whatever. And then we see what happens next. I want to know now. Maybe you do too. So, okay. Er haut ab. Abhauen is a separable verb. Abhauen means to escape, to leave. Abhauen is a youth language. It is a little rude. If you say to someone, hau ab, it means pee off, yeah? So it's not polite. Hau ab. And er haut ab is just, he's leaving, he's escaping, yeah? And it's just the rude version of er fährt weg, yeah? He leaves. Okay, this is it. Let's see the next page. Okay, there we have new dialogue. We will do this next time. This is it for today. I hope you like the concept, that you learned something that's a little bit more unconventional, a little more German than the typical textbooks. Leave in the comments below if you have like a question, a feedback, a comment, if you like this concept, so I know how you feel about it. I will see you next Friday. I do this every Friday, so we will know what happened to Jay, where he went. And until then, you can brush on your vocabulary, on your grammar, A1, A2, B1 in my premium section, and then your German on this channel will elevate super quickly. This is the goal of this channel. I hope you agree, and I will see you very soon. Bye!